Day 2, back from vacation. Got oak climb. Got Brett carrying my stuff like a good little boy. Hiking through the wilderness. Pretty dead oak tree. It's tall. The good news is, the guy said we can smash whatever we want.
Not the building.
Not the building.
That's a heavy ass bag.
I know, it's because my spikes and everything are in here. Watch how I do this. Big spike through the handle, around the brake handle. Now, you got some any of these trees on this bird feeder. I'll make that clear. Everything's crouched. So that's where I'm going to start slowing down, climbing. Like, I don't want to shake the tree too much. I don't want to do anything that might not be smart. Shaking the tree around, especially once you get up in the tops where it's a little bit smaller and you really start moving the tree around by climbing around, it can cause dead branches and stuff to break loose and fall. They could hit you or stuff down on the ground that you don't want them to hit. I've seen dead branches break out and land on power lines and houses and go through windows and all kinds of crazy stuff. Just be aware of that and try to avoid shaking it too much because you don't want any dead branches to break out and fall where you don't want them to. But this sucker's dead, guys. It's crispy. It's a crispy critter. It's all mush. Okay, at this point, I want to get some weight out. You can see there's holes and rot everywhere. So I need to tie in a little higher. It's because I don't have a crotch here. Other than this, and I want to go higher, I'm gonna have to tie into this. But that'll make it. That'll allow me to get a higher tie-in point without going up so high that I don't worry about it. Generally, I like to go as high as I can to tie in, but on dead trees like this, I'll only go as high as I have to because I don't want to induce any more risk of going up higher where it's skinnier and even more dead. Then there's a bigger chance of it snapping out or something. So I only go as high as I have to in order to get over in the other leads and do what I have to do. So now I'll make this cut, and if the tips do come back at me, I'll be able to swing over behind this lead. I'm gonna try to miss the bird feeder, but if I hit it, I hit it.
Away.
Well, it bounced into it, guys. That's okay. The guy said we could take it out. So that one missed it too, guys, but it did bounce into it. Now we'll go get this front side out. gonna keep my lanyard on the full time because I don't want to put all my weight on that dead top alone. So right now I gotta take it off. So what I'm gonna do is make it long enough that I can get over here. I'm gonna get my weight onto this piece before I take it off. Now my weight's on that and not fully on the climbing line. So guys, this white oak here, it's really strong wood. Even though it's dead, it's really strong. Where I'm tied in at, it's like 10-12 inches in diameter. Plenty strong enough to hold me. Either way, it's a good habit to take these safety precautions here. Try not to put all your weight on that. I like to disperse my weight, especially in dead trees. I'll disperse it between the tie-in point and whatever piece I'm on. So here, just as a safety precaution, I'm going to leave my lanyard on that piece until I'm over on the other lead, because I don't want to just take the lanyard off and go swinging around on that dead tie-in point. And even though it probably would hold me, it's just not worth taking the chance of it breaking. All it takes in this business is one little mistake like that, and it can take your life. So no chances. It's important to be aware of all of this stuff, and I think this is a pretty good habit. Guys, this I think I'm gonna have to take it sideways towards that wheelbarrow. Right on the money, baby. That deep notch, I never would have got it without it. Okay, so now Can I leave this on?
Yeah. Yes.
Send me up. I need a rope. Well, maybe, maybe not. I'll probably have you guys pull this one in the same spot I took that last top. I think. Let me get up here and look. All right, guys, this piece is leaning directly at Mike. And I need it to go here. So I'm gonna put a rope in it and have them pull in this direction. I don't want you to pull too hard on this. And don't pull till I'm ready. You guys might not even have to pull it. This is just in case. All right. I'm gonna put a notch in it. So guys, we're just gonna put a conventional notch because I want the butt to jump out there. Okay, so that's good. So another thing I'm gonna say now is I might cut one this side of the hinge off or the other, depending on what direction it starts to go. Fogged up back. Go ahead. Pull. Perfect. Right on the same hole. Pull. Perfect. Right on the same hole. So I did end up cutting some of this corner a little bit extra at the end, but for the most part, we got even strip of wood. It's a slight taper to this end. Show you what I'm talking about. So you can see I nipped this corner just a little bit more. I held a little extra on this side to pull it towards the house because it was leaning directly this way. We got right on top of the other. Now they'll send the rope back up and we're gonna crank this log right up there. Okay guys, so we'll do a running bowline. It's gonna be hard to show you in this position. So I'll just tie it real quick. And we'll go from there. So see, running bowline, what I like to do is tuck this tail under the loop. And then it's pinched like a timber hitch. And it can't come down, out. So now we're gonna slowly rotate around into our tie-in. And then, before I start this descent, what I wanna do is take this off my rigging paws and put it on the ring. There we go. And so again now, because this is dead, I'm just gonna leave my lanyard on as I'm going down in case that tie-in point does snap or something. I'm still attached this way, so it just is safer. It doesn't take any extra time. You just make your lanyard long like this, do the western rolls down. I can feel myself bending this tree. This is white oak. It's really strong wood though. We got all the weight out, but it's super dead and super punky, so hold up. You guys are pulling me over. You guys can see how tall this tree was. So it's probably 90 foot tall. which is taller than I was originally guessing. So we took the old Rodish bird feeder off the top there. But the stand is still good, and he said we could smash it anyhow. And I didn't directly hit it, that piece bounced into it, so. It was super rotted and old. Haven't used that thing in a long time.